Eid al-Fitr, the festival marking the end of Ramadan, is celebrated with great joy and unique traditions in different parts of the world. Let's take a journey to explore how Eid is observed in various countries. In Saudi Arabia, Eid begins with the sighting of the new moon. People gather for special prayers at grand mosques, such as the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca. Families visit each other, exchanging greetings of Eid Mubarak, and giving Eid money or gifts to children. Traditional feasts include dates, lamb dishes, and Arabic sweets like mamul. In Turkey, Eid is called Ramazan Bayrami or Sugar Feast. It is a time for visiting family and paying respects to elders. Children eagerly go door to door wishing Bayraminiz Kutlu Olsun and receive sweets or small gifts. A highlight of the celebration is the preparation of delicious baklava and Turkish delight. In Egypt, Eid begins with mass prayers in open areas and mosques. Families prepare kak, a traditional butter cookie filled with nuts or dates, and distribute them among neighbors. The streets are filled with festivities, and many families go to parks, zoos, or amusement centers to enjoy the holiday. In Morocco, Eid starts with early morning prayers, followed by a grand breakfast featuring traditional Moroccan pastries like chabakia and memzemen. Families wear new clothes and visit relatives offering heartfelt greetings. The atmosphere is filled with joy, and communal meals are a significant part of the celebration. In Pakistan, Eid celebrations begin with a special prayer, after which people embrace each other in unity. Women adorn their hands with henna, and families enjoy a sweet dish called sheer kurma, a vermicelli pudding. Markets are lively as people shop for new clothes and gifts for loved ones. In Kazakhstan, Eid is known as Oraza Eid, and is a time for communal prayers and charity. Families prepare traditional dishes like beshbarmak and share meals with neighbors. People also visit the graves of their ancestors to offer prayers and reflect on their heritage. In Indonesia, Eid is called Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr. The celebration begins with the tradition of mudik, where people travel back to their hometowns to reunite with family. The festive meal includes ketupat, opor ayam, and rendang. A unique tradition called halal bihalal is observed, where people seek and give forgiveness to strengthen relationships. In Malaysia, Eid is known as Hari Raya Eid al-Fitr. The celebration lasts for a month, with open houses where families welcome guests for traditional dishes like satay and lemang. People wear colorful traditional outfits and homes are beautifully decorated with lights and ketupat ornaments. No matter the country, Eid al-Fitr is a time of joy, unity, and gratitude. It is a celebration of faith, family, and generosity, bringing together millions of people across the world in a shared spirit of togetherness. Eid Mubarak to all. Thank you for watching.